The world is moving faster than ever and AI is leading the way. Do you know that AI is expected to replace 85 million jobs this year, 2025? But it's not all bad news if you are taking advantage of it now. But to those of you who fail to adapt, you are going to fall behind. Or you could be one of those people that are turning this ship into an opportunity. Imagine this, people are using AI to double or even triple their income stream, while others are being stuck in a job that they hate, or worse, lose their job altogether. If you're not using AI to make money, you are falling behind. Hi, my name is Diana, and today I'm going to show you one of the best AI business to start in 2025. AI-powered affiliate marketing. TikTok affiliate marketing is a proven way to make money online, but with AI, it is faster, easier, and more profitable than ever. If you have ever been on TikTok, then you have probably seen this video where creators talk about a particular product they find interesting or love, and if people go ahead to click on their bio and get that product, they are going to earn a commission. But here is the best part: you don't have to create your own product or even deal with shipping hustle. Some creators are making thousands of dollars just posting short videos. For example, there's this TikTok creator who have earned over $284,000 just promoting supplement product that help boost the hormone. While there's this other creator who is selling a simple gum that help improve focus and energy, and this creator has made over $189,000. This example shows how creators are using everyday product to make massive income stream. But here is the challenge: creating engaging video that get people to buy can be challenging and tricky, especially coming up with a good script. That's where AI comes in. Using tools like Claude.ai, you can create high converting video script in minutes. Stay tuned because I'll be showing you exactly how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. To get your high converting video script, start by clicking the link down in the description and it will take you to Claude.ai. This tool will help you create engaging and professional script without any guesswork. Next, you want to go over to TikTok and search for viral videos in your niche. Once you found one, you want to come to Color Data, a tool that lets you analyze TikTok creators to see how much they are earning and how their content is performing. This helps you confirm that the person in the video is actually making money with the type of product that they are promoting. Once verified, copy the link of that video and head over to TikTok script generator. Paste the link in there and the tool will immediately generate the entire script from the video. All you need to do is copy that script and head over to Claude.ai for the next step. Check this out. This is so simple but so effective. Okay, pay attention to this. You see this box right here? You want to give it a prompt. So I can say, I have a TikTok script below. Use this style, tune, and formats to create up to 20 new TikTok scripts for promoting different products. Each script should include placeholder where I can insert the product name and its features. Ensure each script is engaging, short, 30 to 60 seconds, and optimized for TikTok audience. Here is the original script. So I'm going to paste this prompt on the screen so you can take a screenshot and follow along with me. Now I'm just going to go ahead and paste the script I copied from the TikTok script generator right inside this box. And just like that, the tool will start giving you real viral scripts that you can start creating your videos on. Yeah, you can insert the common problem people are facing based on your niche. Add the product name here, the primary features, and that is it. You have your scripts. I already have my script saved in my Google Docs, so I'm going to start creating these videos that are proven to work to drive people to my products. I know some of you are really excited about the idea of making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, but the problem is some of you don't want to show your face. Well, I have good news for you, okay? You don't have to show your face if you don't want to, because I'll be introducing you to a really cool tool that is going to do all of the hard work for you while you are behind the camera. Let me introduce you to Arcads, a tool that lets you create incredible TikTok videos using AI-generated content creators with voiceover that sounds super real. Check this video out.
Avoid these two mistakes if you have an Android phone. Number one is getting too many useless emails. Number two is not being protected against spam. They are ruining your storage and productivity. Instead, try this app for free. CleanFox will block useless emails and stop spam in one tap. This is the most used email cleaner. Download it for free.
Ready to level up your photo game? Let this app work its magic and turn your pics into pure perfection. Try Starry AI app yourself.
This is the smartest gym bag to ever exist, the Conquer Backpack from King Kong. These dividers are amazing. I can customize them to fit all my stuff perfectly, no more digging around for ages. And it has a padded space for your laptop. Safe and snug. It has straps outside for heavy lifting and it has a quick zip pocket for everything else. Seriously, this backpack saved my gym rep. It's comfortable, convenient.
Here is the best part. These AI content creators are already going viral. People are loving them and it's creating a huge wave of opportunity. This is the only opportunity you have to jump in this right now before it completely blows off. Trust me, you don't want to miss this chance to take your TikTok game to the next level. So here's what you want to do. Click the link down in the description below. So once you're on the first page, you want to create a free account. After that, you log in. The first thing you want to do is to create a new folder. As you can see, I have one here created already. So once your script is pasted in this box right here, you want to click on Add Actor. This button lets you choose from all the actors that this tool already have for you to start creating your videos. So if you click on New right here, you can see that Arcade always add new character every single time, and you can also filter by male or female. So for the sake of this video, I've decided to promote maybe like a neck massage product. So for that, I'm going to select maybe somebody from 30 all the way to 65 years old. So now I'm going to select few actors because I have the opportunity to listen to them and see how they sound like.
Welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
And you can also customize the voice further by clicking on this voice setting, and you have the choice to adjust it based on your own preference. But for me, I'm just going to leave it as it is. So once everything is good to go, you want to click on generate video. It generally takes few minutes for it to generate based on your internet speed. So once it's all generated, you can click on play to hear what the final results sound like.
The biggest lie I was ever told was that you need weekly chiropractor visits to achieve lasting neck pain relief.
The biggest lie I was ever told was that you need weekly chiropractor visits to achieve lasting neck pain relief.
I mean, this result is top notch. Looking at this, you immediately realize that they sound and look just like humans. I mean, now is the time for you to start that online business, because come on, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to bother about looking good for the camera. All you have to do is to look for popular videos that are really doing well on TikTok, then use Claude.ai to tweak the script and create amazing videos that look just like this in a matter of minutes with Archive. And you can also generate other videos of more actors talking about the same product or any other product that you're going to sell. So once your video has been downloaded to your computer, you don't want to just go ahead and start uploading this video. Instead, what you want to do is add the product you're actually talking about in between the video. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now using CapCut. The idea here is to add the product in between the video, and it will only take you a few minutes for you to do this. So what I did was I searched for the particular product I'm talking about on TikTok, then get videos from TikTok that do not have like captions on it, and I downloaded them with TikTok video downloader into my computer. So the next thing I did was come over to CapCut. So you can see right now that I started with the actor speaking, and then I add different video of the product, basically showing you how the product works. And then I went back again to the actor, and this is the end result.
Biggest lie I was ever told was that you need weekly chiropractor visits to achieve lasting neck pain relief.
I don't have any other massager that actually digs into the muscle like this. It feels absolutely insane.
And you can also use this TikTok edit style to create an entirely different video. So what I did is I used the video product as my video base, and then I went over to use the AI actor as my overlay.
Biggest lie I was ever told was that you need weekly chiropractor visits to achieve lasting neck pain relief.
I don't have any other massager that actually digs into the muscle like this. It feels absolutely insane.
So another thing you want to do to keep people engaged and understand your video more is by adding subtitle. To do that on CapCut, you just want to come over here and click on caption and then auto caption, and make sure to select English, and here you can just click on generate, and just in a few seconds CapCut is going to generate an entire caption for your video. So what I like doing personally is to customize this caption so it looks more like TikTok style, and the end result look just like this.
Biggest lie I was ever told was that you need weekly chiropractor visits to achieve lasting neck pain relief.
I don't have any other massager that actually digs into the muscle like this. It feels absolutely insane.
Okay, so once everything is good, you want to go ahead and download the video. Surprisingly to me, this is super realistic. I can't even tell if these are AI, especially after adding the product in between. It just makes it flow more better. Now, guys, you have to note that Arcad is a paid tool. It's one of the best tools out there to create these types of video. I mean, since you are not going to be creating your own product from scratch, I think investing in really good tool like this is worth the investment. I mean, with all of these tools available for us to utilize, you don't have to keep guessing to see what works. You can now know what type of hook works best, what type of video is currently working, and what product is currently selling. And all of this data can help you get your business off the ground really quick and start making money just like these guys. TikTok is more than just a viral dance or a funny skit platform. It's a gold mine for affiliate marketers. With AI, you can turn TikTok into a passive income machine. Listen, besties, limitation only exists in your head. Get to work and know that the best time to start is now, not tomorrow. With that being said, I love you all and I'll see you next time.